Question 7 is asking us to find our unknown, okay, which I'm going to call x, and it's telling us what some of the scores are, but we're missing one, and then it's telling us what the mean is. Now there are a few ways of doing this question. I'll do it using the balance method because I think that will be the clearest. So what I'm going to do is add all these numbers up, divide them by the 7 scores that are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that should equal 25. So I'll write it out as if they're all numbers as a beginning point. So it will read 11 plus 25 plus 14 plus 28 plus 32 plus 16 plus our unknown number, all divided by 7, will be 25. And this way we've written them all out as if we were just going to solve it normally, and we're just substituting the unknown number with an x. So the next step is to collect all my like terms, so I can add all these numbers together, which will give me 126 plus x, all divided by 7, equaling 25. And now I'm going to choose to use the balance method. So I am solving for x. So it's telling me to divide by 7, so I'm going to multiply by 7. Anything I do on one side of an equation I must do to the other. All I'm left with here is 126 plus x, and all that I'm left with on this side is 175. It says I've got positive 126, so I'm going to subtract it. Whoops, 126. Anything I do to one side, I'll have to do to the other. All I'm left with is x, and over this side all I'm left with is 49. So my unknown number is 49. If that's tricky and you're not up with the balance method, the other way to think about this might be that I know that if I added all these numbers together, okay, it's going to give me a number that is 7 times bigger than this one, okay? So what you could do is just multiply that number by 7 to get 175, and then force this sum to equal 175. But the balance method is a much clearer and more efficient way of doing it.